Well, hello travelers, Todd and Michelle here. And as you can see, it's a traveling around Friday, so we've made our way to the Cheesecake Factory. So come along and let's see what the Cheesecake Factory has to offer us today. Travelers, we have made our way into one of my favorite locations here because you know it's Traveling Friday, so we are here today. We're at the Cheesecake Factory, and no, it's not just for the cheesecake that's one of my favorite places here, because they have one of my favorite dishes, which I don't think you guys could ever guess what my favorite dish at Cheesecake Factory is. And I think I've talked Michelle into trying it today. So we're here now. We have gotten our sweet teas. They have great sweet tea here. And then they also have a bread service that is absolutely fantastic. We are going to get an appetizer. I'm not quite sure what we're going to get yet, but we're going to peruse the menu. We'll show you as much as the menu as we can because it is extensive.
And this is a shout out to Becca. This is one of Becca's favorite restaurants. She loves the stuffed mushrooms. And we normally get those. I'm not getting them today in solidarity. I'm going to wait for her.
Calamari will be our appetizer today. But I'm going to look at the rest of the menu just to see what I might be missing.
It's a book, literally.
I mean, look.
So
it's page after page.
You can't go online or
after page after page.
And look at the menu. They have a whole Skinnylicious menu, and there is no way in the world I'm going to be able to show you guys all of the stuff that they offer. But they are online, so if you'd like to look ahead at the menu, you can find it there. Their big book of entrees and appetizers and desserts. How one place serves all this, I have no idea. But look, it just goes on and on. So there's no way, again, I'm going to be able to show you everything. But just go online and look. They have brunch items. They have breakfast, or not breakfast, but brunch, Saturday and Sunday. Okay, we are here today to order up the appetizer menu. So here is what they have. That especially is very, very good. And I'm here today to get this, the Thai lettuce wraps.
It's just a huge menu. So,
you know, I did see, I didn't know they have breakfast. Did you know they had
I didn't know they had breakfast.
Where did I see it? They had eggs and omelets.
You know, any place that's got 2 pages of cheesecake is really all that matters to me.
Eggs and omelet.
Look at that.
And they have a whole like Saturday and Sunday brunch.
And it's served all day. It says up at the top, served all day.
Because they do open at 10 o'clock on Saturdays and Sundays, 11 o'clock all the other days.
Okay.
Well, I'm going to get the lettuce wraps, and they are under the appetizers. The Thai lettuce wraps are $18.95.
Yep.
This is create your own. It comes in like a little platter, so you build it yourself. But they have is it satay chicken strips?
Yeah.
Or you can get grilled avocado if you want that. It has carrots, bean sprouts, coconut curry noodles, and lettuce leaves with 3 delicious spicy Thai sauces, peanut, sweet red chili, and a tamarind cashew. They're light and they're really good.
And it is my favorite dish on the menu. So I finally talked her into it. Oh, the fried calamari is there. How much was that, by the way?
The fried calamari is $16.50.
Yeah.
It says fried light and crisp, served with garlic dip and cocktail sauce. And it is one of my favorite calamaris. Yeah. It's really good. I usually get the marsala chicken when I come here, but it's kind of heavy. And you know, I've started a new exercise routine. I'm trying the little mini trampoline. Have you guys done that? If you have, let me know. It's kind of fun.
Yeah, she's doing a real good job.
Back in the day, I did like step tapes like crazy with like the step, but now I found the mini tramp, which now it's called a rebounder. It's a mini trampoline.
I can't stand on it. I can barely stand on it. And it's just like, move your legs up and down. I'm like,
it helps your balance. As you get older, stuff like that helps. So I'm trying to get him.
I got to get my balance.
Prevention. You know, he's already fell once.
Once? I've fell several times. What are you talking about?
Remember last anniversary we went to is it Two Molino?
Il Molino.
Two Molino.
I fell there.
Whatever it's called, Il Molino.
I fell with Michael and Becca when Mike about had a heart attack.
Yeah, he
I've
fell
fallen at the post office.
On the stairs. I have never seen Mike, and you guys know he's like 6 foot. How tall is he? He's
big man.
Big guy. But Mike took those stairs 2 at a time to get to Todd. Todd was up at the top. You had a drink, but you didn't spill.
I didn't spill the drink either.
But
and it wasn't alcoholic, by the way.
So Mike, of course, safety man, takes off, and he took stairs 2 at a time.
Yeah.
Ran up the stairs to make sure
he did a great job. He's a very protective soul. He really is.
Yeah.
So, okay, we have to order our calamari, but now I'm going to have some bread. So,
Okay. Our bread.
there's a bread. Cheers, honey. The Cheesecake Factory.
And again, I hardly ever have
Load
bread,
it up.
but this is one place you have it.
The beautiful thing about my bread is they sell this at Publix now. The Cheesecake Factory loaves of this at Publix.
Really?
It's right as you walk in, all that good stuff. So,
Do they have this?
they may have that, but I know they have this.
I have to be careful. I could eat a whole stick of butter.
Agreed. Travelers by the way, thank you for joining us today on Travels. And if you're not yet a traveler, of course, hit that subscribe button down below. We're getting so close to 4,000. Unbelievable.
Can't believe it.
Unbelievable that we'd be that this far along. So thank you so much for that. We will probably be doing a lot more around Disney and in Disney content now that Michelle started her new job. But we'll be out at nights and on the weekends.
Still am starting.
Yeah.
It feels like I've been telling them forever that I'm going to go to work, but I promise it's Monday.
She did her first day yesterday, so you're good to go.
I started.
And she loves it.
I do love it. Yeah,
She loves the
a great
people
group.
and the company. So the calamari has arrived to the table.
It is so pretty.
It is so gorgeous. It really is one of our favorite calamaris. We'll hold it up here. Look at that. Look at all that. Of course, we have rings, and we have tentacles.
I wasn't thinking. Put a piece of bread in my mouth.
Yeah. And then we have two dipping sauces. I think this is like a tartar sauce, and this is, of course, a
Cocktail sauce.
cocktail sauce. But check that out. Thank you so much. And we got some lemons there to squeeze, which we do put lemons on ours. But look at those tentacles. All of those. Oh. I just love this dish.
That's a little-
Calamari time. And you know me. Ooh, that is out. Right there. Shell goes with that. I'm actually going to put a little tartar, or not tartar, but the cocktail on there. So cheers, honey.
Cheers.
Let's give this a try. You can probably hear the crispiness.
It's crispy. It's light. It's fresh. Little dab of lemon. I had the tartar sauce on mine. No fishy taste.
Yeah.
Tender.
Perfect little crisps to it.
So good. Now I'll go with the cocktail
Yeah.
sauce.
It's a little different than. I'm gonna go with the other one. Which one do you like better? It's not like a shrimp
It almost
pie.
tastes like ketchup.
Yeah, it does. I like the tartar sauce better. I think it's much
I
better.
like them both.
Yeah.
Yummy. Good, good. Ooh, here's a bite.
We have discovered that this is a garlic aioli mayonnaise right here, not a tartar sauce. So it was very good with the calamari. That calamari is fantastic. One of our favorites. And of course, you know me, while the entrees are not here, started looking at the menu, and I'm a pictures guy. Look at that. That looks like a strawberry tiramisu cheesecake.
I have to show the whole
Yeah.
counter.
But this is their cheesecake list. These two pages right here. So it takes me a while to figure out what I'm going to take home, which I will take my cheesecake home today. Not going to eat it here. So just waiting for our entrees.
Not gonna eat it.
Not going to eat it here. I'm waiting for our entrees to come. I might
I'll
go.
eat mine while I'm on the mini trampoline. You know what? I did the, they're gonna say, oh no, here we go. I found a beginner's routine. It's only like 5 minutes long, and it's for seniors, and I fell off the tramp twice.
I can't even get on the tramp. I need a handle. So let's honestly
I was
say
like,
that.
oh, I can do this. I hopped on, I jumped for a couple minutes, boop, fell off. See, so it helps your
At least
balance.
you're better than me.
So anybody want to do it with me? We'll get a traveling around Disney on a trampoline going.
There we go. We'll just start a whole page with that. Our entrees have arrived. And go ahead, Michelle. Say what you just said.
They come when we sit here. They come from behind us. So all of a sudden, your food like is announced. All you hear is Thai lettuce wraps, and then they're right here. But look at these things. They're crazy ridiculous.
You want to show yours?
We'll show both.
Okay.
Will they both fit on here?
Yeah.
Wait, let me turn it around.
Okay. It's a big plate.
Ready?
Yeah, ready?
Oh.
Look at those. Yeah, it looks like a salad on a.
It looks like we're in a garden.
And it does have peanuts on it, so if you've got a nut allergy, make sure you let them know. Then it's got the noodles.
Well, I don't really
here,
think you should order this if you have a nut allergy.
The cucumbers, the bean sprouts, the fresh bib lettuce. I just absolutely love this dish. It is my favorite dish at Cheesecake Factory. This is my wrap here.
This is my little wrap.
And you guys
and I'm
know
gonna dip it.
I'm not a huge cilantro
This is like a
chimichurri.
sweet.
Oh, it is so good. But that's what they look like. I'm making a little vegetable taco.
Wait, I'm gonna use the butter dish.
Are you gonna put it underneath you?
No, yeah.
Okay.
I don't want it on my shirt.
Cheers, honey.
Cheers.
To your first lettuce wrap.
Oh, you hit me in the eye.
To your first lettuce wrap.
Yeah, thank
Here we go. It's just so fresh. The vegetables aren't cooked. And the sauces and that grilled chicken. This is a great dish. And each sauce is great. Each sauce is great on its own.
Don't say
This
yes.
is really good. And yes, Curtis family, there will probably be some of this on my shirt because I think I actually dropped some at the very first bite.
It's still there.
Yep, there it is. Cucumber. I can't believe she uses a bowl underneath so she doesn't spill. Amateurs. This is a great lunch, I'm telling you.
Very active, involved.
Yeah. Takes work to eat this, but it's worth it. I didn't tell her anything about any of the sauces. I wanted her to discover on her own. But they're all good. That's the one thing I love about them.
In their own way.
Yeah, they each complement something else on the plate. And the pickled cucumbers, I absolutely love.
It's pleasing to the eye.
Yeah, and I will eat the cabbage leaves, the purple cabbage leaves. So, okay, we're going to go back to enjoying this meal. And then I'll look at the cheesecakes. Oh, you trying to hit a crunch?
I'm turning into ASMR.
On the sauces, this was the peanut sauce right here.
Actually, this one I just dunked in.
That's the one you got. This is the sweet chili Thai right here. And this is a cashew tamarind right here, the green one. This might be my favorite. Not that any of them are bad, but that cashew tamarind is one of my favorites. Michelle's got it all over. This is what I love. Okay, no. It's all over your fingers. I'm just glad you enjoy it. It makes me
really
happy.
good.
Yeah.
Can you hand me a napkin from over
Yes,
there?
I can get you a napkin right there. We're actually sitting at
Thank
the
you.
bar location, which we love to sit here when we come to Cheesecake Factory. Lettuce wraps are all done.
My
These are
shirt is
Michelle's.
clean. No,
Yeah.
they're not.
These noodles are yours.
Oh. I thought you meant the plate.
They're coconut Thai, coconut curry.
I don't know what he talks about half the time.
Coconut curry right there. So I don't know if there was just a lot of food.
That was a lot of food.
It was a ton of food. Michelle said it earlier while we were talking about this. I feel full, but I don't feel bloated or like I couldn't go off.
It's definitely full, but
That was great, and it's an appetizer, so you can share this. I do believe it's shareable, at least 4 people.
as an appetizer.
Yeah, as
sure.
an appetizer, that's great. So now you know what that means. It's cheesecake time. Cheesecakes are from $8.95 to $11.50, probably depending on the complexity of the cheesecake.
Probably.
So, okay. We're going to take a look at the menu. We have selected our cheesecakes. Michelle went with her tried and true, which she normally always gets. Which is what, Michelle?
The pineapple upside down cheesecake.
Yeah, pineapple cheesecake between 2 layers of moist, buttery pineapple upside down cake. And it is fantastic.
It's really good.
Today, I am going to go with, which would you guess on there?
Probably the.
This is a toughie.
It is. You're either the dulce de leche, but you won't because I know that you're not going to order that today.
Yeah, that's
You
good.
would also probably try the cinnamon swirl, maybe.
That would be
You might try the white chocolate raspberry.
Yeah.
You might try the mango key lime.
which I've already tried all those. So I'm going with the new one today. Ready? Ready
Yes.
for this? We're going with the coconut cream pie cheesecake.
Oh, I would have never guessed that.
It is coconut cheesecake, vanilla custard, and a layer of chocolate, all on a coconut.
Macaron crust.
Yes. So the chocolate threw me. I was like, chocolate on it, but I'm gonna give this a try. So we're actually gonna get them. Probably have a couple bites here and then take the rest home because we are kind of full. And I noticed the bread thing. You know me. I still say that's a hidden Mickey right there. There with the little ears and
I
little
would count
ears.
that.
So since we're so close to Disney, we'll call that a hidden Mickey. Yeah, cheesecakes have arrived. We're gonna look at that. That's Michelle's pineapple upside down cheesecake right there.
And they put it in to go for us so we can take it home.
We
Isn't
have
that
to.
so pretty?
And my coconut cream pie cheesecake right there. I've never tried this one before. It's got a ton of toasted coconut right there on the whip and the cheesecake. So the chocolate kind of threw me off, but I wanted to try it. So
It's chocolate crust.
no,
There's a chocolate layer at the bottom.
yeah. Okay. Get a nice small bite, of course. You know me. Cheers,
Cheers.
honey. Sorry. I had to take a moment of personal time on that one.
Well, you were off to the side.
The coconut, oh my god, that cheesecake is so good.
I was gonna say one more bite and then
Yeah, I got to.
I'm closing the lid. Do you want to try mine?
No, I'm good. Dude, that's yours. If you're a coconut cream pie lover, this cheesecake is for you. We have had a fantastic time here at
All right.
We
Close the
always
lid.
do. So we've had a great lunch here at Cheesecake Factory, like I
Go
said.
along.
Only 15 minutes from Disney, right next to the outlet mall on Vineland. So that's good to know. Try the lettuce wraps. Don't overlook that, but everything on this menu is good. I haven't had anything bad here. What do you think, Michelle?
Good.
Good?
Yeah,
Do you
it's
like the
always
lettuce
good. It's
wraps?
consistent. I love them.
Thank you.
Yeah, I was
told
surprised.
you would.
I've always watched you get them, and I've never, because I always wanted the pasta or something different.
Yeah.
But I'm glad I tried it.
Because they got great pastas here.
And look at me. You got some on your lip.
Okay. I'm sorry.
King.
Travelers, we want to thank you once again for traveling along with us. And like we always say, until next time, travel and adventure is out there. Looks like we got a to-go order and some, I don't know what that over there, probably tiramisu. Is that tiramisu? I think it might be. I didn't even think about tiramisu cheesecake. But of course they got regular cakes. That's a carrot cake. And that's a Linda sponge cake right there. Carrot cake. And then of course, what Cheesecake Factory is known for. What?
The celebration cheesecake. Can you see it right there? Looks like a birthday cake.
Oh yeah, I didn't even see those ones back there. Hershey's chocolates. Look at all those.
It's like more cake than cheesecake, but
Yeah.
it's delicious.
Yours is great.
Oh, that's the whole thing right there.
Yeah. There's the whole one right there. How much is a
10
whole?
inch is, well, it depends. On mine, it was $64.95 for a 10 inch. And
Okay.
it serves 12 to 15.
I think this is, what's the smallest they got? 10 inch?
The smallest is a 6 inch.
I think this might be a.
Original, the strawberry chocolate mousse cheesecake, and the white chocolate raspberry truffle you can get in a 6 inch.
Okay, so that's one of those.
$24.95.
Really? So that's not too bad.
And you can get those DoorDash. So if you need a celebration quick, this is a
That
good
is a
thing to
great
do.
idea. But, I mean, I could sit here all day, but I gotta go.